Assalamu alaikum. My dear sweet learners, from this video we are going to learn comparison of adjective or degree. So dear, let's get started. Positive degree, on the other hand, comparative degree. Okay. My dear learners, if the positive sentence is started with no other in the comparative form, then any other will be replaced. Okay, let's see an example. No other city in BD is as big as Dhaka. No other city in Bangladesh, okay, is as big as Dhaka. So in the comparative form, Dhaka, the last word, noun or pronoun, you will take to the beginning of the comparative form. So the last noun or pronoun should be taken to the beginning of the comparative form, Dhaka. Dhaka, then verb. Here is according to the noun of the first word, okay? Is. Dhaka is singular, so verb is singular. Dhaka is, bigger than any other city in BD. Okay? Last word, noun, Dhaka is. Dhaka is bigger. Adjective is here, big. So big in the positive form and in the comparative form, bigger. Dhaka is bigger. Then any other replaced, no other will be replaced by then any other. Dhaka is bigger than any other city in BD. Then you see Dhaka omitted and no other omitted, remaining words, okay, up to the verb city in BD. Dhaka is bigger than any other city in BD. Okay, dear? Number 2, very few or few will be replaced by then most other. Okay, like very few cities in BD are, are as big as Dhaka. Similarly, Dhaka, subject, Dhaka is, adjective big. So in the comparative form, bigger, Dhaka is bigger, and very few or few will be replaced by then most other, then most other. Dhaka is bigger than most other cities in Bangladesh. Most other cities in Bangladesh. Okay, dear? So, subject, and it is taken from the last noun or pronoun of the positive degree. Dhaka is placed according to the subject. Okay, dear? And if here subject is in the plural form, so are or where will be put, right? Okay, bigger, comparative form, then most other is replaced for very few or few. Okay, and after that cities in BD. Okay, dear? Cities in BD. Next, Dhaka is as big as Dhaka is as big as Chattogram. Chattogram. Okay, affirmative form. This sentence is in the affirmative form. So in the comparative form, it will be turned into the negative form. Okay? Affirmative, negative. Negative, affirmative. So dear, the last word, Chattogram. Chattogram is not adjective big. So bigger. Chattogram is not bigger than the first word, noun or pronoun, Dhaka. Okay, so lovely learners, Chattogram, the last noun of the positive form, and verb not is used because the positive degree is in the affirmative form. So not and bigger. Positive degree is big is turned into bigger in the comparative form. Then Dhaka. Okay there? Finally, Dhaka is not so big as Chattogram. Lovely learners, Dhaka is not so big as Chattogram. So similarly, Chattogram is, and here positive degree is in the negative form. So comparative form will be in the affirmative form. So not is omitted. Okay? Not is omitted. Chattogram is, then so omitted, as like as the above sentences. Okay? So big, bigger. Chattogram is bigger than Dhaka. Alright? So Chattogram is bigger than Dhaka. My dear sweet learners, you will practice in this way. Thank you so much for watching this video.